Hey guys, before the video gets started, if you're like me, you like a nice perfume or cologne, you like to smell good, but you don't like the commitment of $60 or $70 a bottle. That's why I like Scentbird. Scentbird is a subscription-based service like any of the other ones out there, but they send you a new cologne or perfume every month. You make a little queue of stuff that sounds good, stuff that you've liked in the past, and they send you a nice spray bottle, which you can replace with your new scent every month. It's a pretty sweet service, and I like it because I do like cologne, I like perfume, but like I said, I don't like to spend a bunch of money. And this way, I get to try a lot of different stuff. Check it out, there's a link in the description below. Now for the video. Guys, what is up? Welcome to the Rusty Toolbox. I am so excited for this episode. You know why? Because I'm going to the racetrack. That is right. We are going to the Utah Motorsports Campus, just west of Salt Lake City. It is an enormous campus with multiple track configurations, and we are doing a wide open Wednesday. It is a super cheap track day with unlimited runs, unlimited laps. You basically go as long as you can, as long as the track's open, and you get to test your car, tune your car. It's not timed or anything. It's not really racing. It's just like any other open track day. But this is my first track day since the transformation, since I put in the V8. So it will be a very interesting test to see how this car feels now as opposed to when it had the four-cylinder engine in it, the four-cylinder motor in it. So let's go driving. Let's head out to Tooele and go to the track. Utah Motorsports Campus here outside of Tooele, Utah. Their racetrack is back there behind me. I'm about to go into the main administration building, get all my stickers and get all my my wristbands and all the other stuff I need to do. Let's go get signed in. Done. Got our wristband. Got our sticker. Put it on the car. Hopefully we'll get a little area, like a pit area. So drop off my gear. And then we're gonna race. Not race, just head on the track. So here we go, we're getting lined up, ready to get out on the racetrack. You see lots of cool cars here. Some Subarus, Mustangs, Corvettes, Camaros, Focus, GTO, cool Audi S3. Lots of sweet stuff. Infiniti. And getting ready to go. Can't wait. Alrighty, so we did our parade lap, or our first introduction lap. The way they've set it up is half of the racetrack they have dedicated to our section of the track night, and then they have cones with basically like autocross style gates that act almost like chicanes to sort of limit the speed. So the first lap I had a bunch of stuff in the car still. Wasn't going very hard. It was getting to know the track. Now everything's all set up. I've got the car cleared out. No distractions. Camera's ready to go. Let's have some fun. How fast should I go?
How fast should you go?
Yeah.
As fast as you're comfortable with.
Okay.
Without running over our cones or sliding off the track.
I won't do either.
So that's what I say. As fast as you're comfortable with. Don't try and run him down because he's probably going to be faster than you. Go get him.
Maybe. Yeah, that was fun. Woohoo! Something went flying around back there. Am I just imagining things? Woo! Oh man, that was much better. I can't, at really high RPM, I can't shift into third and fourth. That seems like an issue. So, some observations after the first hard lap. I think I need my brakes and my clutch bled properly with some higher temperature fluid. Pretty much couldn't come out of third gear. If I did, I wasn't able to shift into fourth or anything. I was like double pumping the clutch. Beyond that, plenty of power, lots of grip. I just need to be careful not to put my foot in it a little, too hard coming out of the turns. Man, that was a fun beast, fun car. All right, so we're back in line in the grid to go out for the third lap. Second lap was fun. Like I said, the clutch definitely needs to be bled, and I think I need to put some. I don't know if I think the fluids are fine. It wasn't necessarily overheating. I had brakes, but yeah, I think there's some air in the clutch line because I couldn't shift, and it's a problem I've experienced somewhat before, so I'm not surprised by it. This one, I think we're gonna do pretty much the whole course in third gear. Probably won't be quite as fast in the fast parts, but I'll make up for it not trying to shift when I can't shift. So we're about 10 cars out. Let's make it happen.
It's all yours.
Yeah, that was a good one. That was fun.
Thanks, sir.
that's gonna do it. I'll have to head home. Track's a little bit far away from my house, but that was a lot of fun. That last lap was good. I feel like it was probably my fastest turn around the course until that second to last turn. I overcooked it and locked up the tires and had to go off into the runoff a little bit. I don't know if I went over the rumble strips. I'll have to look at the replay. Went over the rumble strips a bit, but man, it was so fun. Got to really test out the limits of the 318 Ti with the LS V8 motor in it. I've got a few ideas of some things I could improve on the car. A lot of, some suspension stuff. There's still a little bit of body roll. Obviously, like I said before, I need to get the brakes and the clutch completely flushed. I'll probably just put brand new fluid in there because it was hard to. The shifting was a little tough. But beyond that, man, this is a fast car and it was really, really fun. So thanks a lot for joining me on this track day. I'll hopefully be able to get out here again soon. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. And we'll get back to the builds next time. Thanks, guys.